Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to share with you 5 easy ZBLL cases. Let's begin. Okay, so this is the first case. It's the U shape with this big block right here. Okay, so what we want to do is which is basically two anti-suns, one after the other, and this is the faster variation. Okay, so this is the second one where you have this pie shape, and right here is like a T-perm. So this is what you want to do. It's rotate S prime, T-perm, S. A bit faster. Okay, so now you have this U shape with this block right here and nothing on the back. So you have this big block right here, and right here is there's nothing. So what you want to do here is F2, Y perm without the first move, F2, F2. So right here it's a bit faster, and yeah. So now you have the mirror case of that U shape, which is this big block right here and nothing right here. So you can do it the reverse of that one, or the better alg is this one. So R prime, Y perm, R, and now a bit faster. Okay, so now we have this sun case where there is a block right here, 2x2x1, and these blocks. So what you want to do here is and now a bit faster. Yeah. Thank you for watching and bye.